In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ChatGPT prompts that can make you money in 2026. Now, let's go to ChatGPT and then we're gonna start with the first prompt, which is one is act as a digital product expert. Create a simple but valuable digital product idea for beginners in a certain niche. It can be money, it can be lifestyle, it can be fitness. Let's say, for instance, we're gonna put maybe AI, okay, AI, or maybe let's say fitness, okay, fitness. And then the prompt says include product title, target audience, a problem it solves, what to include inside the product, keep it beginner friendly and easy to sell. And then we're gonna click here, okay. And then as you can see, ChatGPT will give you all the things we need. Product title, the 21 beginner, fitness reset, no gym needed. Target audience, it has given us target audience, fitness beginner, especially women and busy adults. Problem it solves, okay. It has given us what to include inside the product. It has also given us everything here. Everything. This is one of the best prompt that I highly recommend. I'll leave it in the description so that you can actually try it according to your niche. It has even given us the suggested prices to sell the product, $7 to $15. Perfect impulse buy for beginners. Okay, that is it. Now let's move on to the next one, which is actually this one. The next one is act as a freelance business coach. Suggest AI-powered service I can offer as a beginner. For each service, include what the service is, who need it, how AI helped me deliver it, how to price it as a beginner. And then you click here. Okay, let me click here. This is my recorder. Click here. And then mark you, I'm using my phone. That's why you can see now. This is what we are talking about. Below is an AI powered service you can actually start offering immediately, even if you are new, no coding, no advanced tech. So this service you can start and then start selling to people. The first one is actually AI content writing for small business owners. You can see what to sell or what you can create your social media caption, blog post, website, about page, product description using tools like ChatGPT and stuff like that. Okay, it has given you everything here. Number 3, it says AI resume and cover letter optimization. Also, it has given you AI social media caption and hashtag service. That's one of the best. Another service is AI digital products creation support. Okay, it goes ahead, it gives you number 5, AI customer support chat setup. Okay, and then it has given you number 7, AI branding and bio writing. Wow. Number 7, AI prompt customization for clients. Amazing. Okay, that is it. Now let me give you the third prompt that you can actually use to make money just from the beginning. Act as a content strategist. Create 10 content ideas around. You pick a topic, maybe let's say about money. Okay, money. That can attract people interested in buying or learning more. Include video titles, hook ideas, suggested call to action. You click here and then immediately ChatGPT will give you everything. Video number 1, why most people stay broke, and it's not lack of money. Okay, so it has given you 10 high intent money content ideas you can use for YouTube shorts, TikTok or Instagram. It has given you the hook, first 3 seconds, working hard isn't the problem, thinking wrong is. Okay, it has given you video number 2, 3 income skills that pay more than a degree in 2025. Video number 3, how I'll make money, my first $100 online step by step. Video number 4, stop saving money like this, do this instead. Video number 5, this is why side hustle fail, most people miss this. Okay, number 5, video number 6, it has given us 3 digital products that can make money while you sleep. Video number 7, how to turn skills you already have into income. Video number 8, the truth about passive income no one tells the beginners. Number 9, if you are over 25 and still broke, watch this. Now 10, how to think like rich people without being rich. And that is it, guys. 3 prompts that can make you money just from the beginning, or maybe just from now, using only ChatGPT. Try them and leave them in the description, and then let's see what will happen.